Hello and welcome back to another nail video. Today I'm doing long square acrylic nails and I'm using Cherry Blossom from Young Nails, Mia's Secret Monomer, and my Panna number 12 Kolinsky brush. I start my acrylic application by placing my first bead of acrylic where the tip and the natural nail meet. Then I pat that acrylic in place while I drag it down the nail tip. Then I place my second bead of acrylic directly on top of the first, and I pat that acrylic in place before I feather it down the tip of the nail. And then I just repeat this same process as I work my way up the nail, and I do this for all the nails. And I'm adding one more small bead of acrylic towards the free edge of the nail, because as you see here, it is a little thin. It is missing some acrylic, but pretty much this is my routine for how I do my acrylic application. And I do find that having a routine for yourself does help you with your nail process or your nail journey, because you're not wasting too much time thinking. You already know the steps. And these are how the nails look after they've been filed, shaped, and buffed. And going right in for my design, I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do for today's design, but I knew I wanted to do brown. So I just kind of freestyled and I love them. I thought they turned out really cute. So I hope you enjoy. And these are how the nails turned out. Super cute. I definitely love the brown. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next nail video.